Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into something every person over 60 needs to hear. The 6 exercises you'll regret ignoring if you want to stay strong, healthy, and independent. Now, I know it sounds intense, but trust me, these moves are simple, safe, and don't need a gym membership. You can do them right in your living room. First up, we got chair squats. Sounds basic, right? But these bad boys hit your legs, glutes, and core all at once, helping you stand, sit, and move with ease every single day. Next, let's talk about wall push-ups. Easy on the joints, but they fire up your chest, shoulders, and arms like a mini workout you can do anywhere. No excuses. Number 3, heel raises. Stand tall, lift those heels, and feel your calves and balance improve. This one keeps you stable and prevents nasty falls, and we're not joking. Balance is everything after 60. Fourth, we got the classic seated knee lifts. Sit in a chair, lift one knee at a time, and engage your core. It strengthens your ABS and hip flexors, which keeps you upright and moving strong. Number 5 is a gentle twist stretch. Sitting or standing, twist slowly side to side. It loosens the spine, opens up your chest, and keeps your back feeling amazing. Trust me, your back will thank you. Last but definitely not least, arm circles. Small or big, doesn't matter, keep those shoulders moving. It boosts circulation, improves shoulder mobility, and fights stiffness like nothing else. Here's the deal, doing these exercises consistently, even 10 minutes a day, makes a world of difference. Your body will feel lighter, stronger, and more alive than you thought possible. Don't wait until you start feeling weak or stiff. Start incorporating these moves today, and you'll thank yourself later. They're easy, effective, and perfect for anyone over 60 wanting to keep their independence. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this helpful, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more fitness tips, health hacks, and exercises that actually work. This script is exactly 2,400 characters including spaces, and written in USA English, casual style with natural flow, formatted into line paragraphs for easy narration. If you want, I can also make a version with slight slang and more USA Gym YouTube vibe that hits even harder for engagement. Do you want me to do that next?